All right, the first thing I want to work out for you today is going to be some of the problems off of your test 2 review that we did in class today. This is just so that if you get home and you're studying for your test tomorrow and you get stuck and just need a walkthrough, that they're on here for you. The first ones I have are problems 1 through 6. Okay, I've already copied the function for f of x and for g of x. Okay, so problem number 1 says f of 4 minus g of 2. So I'm going to start with f of 4. So 3 times 4 plus 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. G of 2 gives me 2 times 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. And don't forget to bring down your minus sign, and 14 minus 3 is 11. Moving on to number 2, g of f of 4. Starting on the inside with f of 4, 3 times 4 plus 2. 12 plus 2 is going to give me 14. Then you're going to perform g of 14. So 2 times 14 minus 1, which gives me 27. Problem number 3, I'm going to start with g of negative 5. So 2 times negative 5 minus 1. Negative 10 minus 1 is negative 11. Bring down the f. And f of negative 11 would be 3 times negative 11 plus 2, which gives me a final answer of negative 31. Number 4, I'm going to start with f of negative 3. So 3 times negative 3 plus 2. Negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7. And I need to bring down both my 10 and my minus sign. Don't forget to bring down the subtraction sign from the problem. Pop, pop, fizz, fizz, we don't want a negative, and 10 plus 7 is 17. Number 5, I'm going to start with g of 11. So 2 times 11 minus 1 gives me 22 minus 1, which gives me 21. Bring down my plus and my 1, making my final answer 22. And the last one of these is going to be g of negative 4. So 2 times negative 4 minus 1 gives me negative 8 minus 1, which is negative 9. Bring down my plus 1, making my final answer negative 8. Problem number 7 says Haley weighs 12 pounds less than Natalie. So I'm going to start with saying Haley is going to be X. Actually, I'll stop the video here, so that way this is just functions, and I'll record a second video later with more of the problems.